Building a strong brand identity for your dental practice. 5 tips for consistent messaging. Introduction. In the competitive world of dental practices, building a strong brand identity is essential for standing out from the crowd and attracting potential patients. Your brand identity encompasses the values, personality, and unique qualities that define your dental practice. One crucial aspect of a successful brand identity is consistent messaging. Consistency in your brand messaging helps establish trust, credibility, and recognition among your target audience. In this video, we will explore 5 tips to help you build a strong brand identity for your dental practice and maintain consistent messaging throughout. Define your dental brand identity. To build a strong brand identity, you need to define what your dental practice stands for and how you want it to be perceived by patients. Start by identifying your practice's core values, mission, and vision. Consider what sets your dental practice apart from others. Is it your commitment to personalized patient care, cutting-edge technology, or a specific area of expertise? Understanding these unique selling points will form the foundation of your brand identity. Develop a compelling brand story. Every successful brand has a compelling story behind it, and your dental practice should be no exception. A brand story helps create an emotional connection with your patients and sets you apart from your competitors. Share the journey of your dental practice, including the motivations, challenges, and successes that led you to where you are today. Incorporate your core values and mission into the narrative. A well-crafted brand story will resonate with your audience and leave a lasting impression. Maintain consistent messaging across all channels. Consistency is key when it comes to building a strong brand identity. Ensure that your messaging remains consistent across all communication channels, including your website, social media platforms, emails, and printed materials. Use the same tone, voice, and visual elements to create a cohesive brand experience. Consistent messaging builds familiarity and trust, reinforcing your brand identity in the minds of your patients. Create a strong visual identity. A visually appealing and consistent brand identity is crucial for effective dental practice branding. Develop a strong visual identity by designing a professional logo, selecting a cohesive color palette, and choosing fonts that reflect your practice's personality. Incorporate these visual elements across your website, social media profiles, stationery, and signage. A visually consistent brand identity will enhance recognition and make a lasting impression on your patients. Educate and engage your patients. Consistent messaging goes beyond just visual elements and extends to the content you share with your patients. Educate and engage your patients through informative and valuable content. Create a dental blog where you can share oral health tips, industry news, and answers to common questions. Use social media to provide updates, share patient success stories, and promote oral hygiene awareness. By consistently delivering relevant content, you position your dental practice as a reliable source of information and build credibility among your patients. Conclusion. Building a strong brand identity for your dental practice is a strategic process that requires careful planning and consistent execution. By defining your brand identity, developing a compelling brand story, maintaining consistent messaging across all channels, creating a strong visual identity, and educating and engaging your patients, you can establish a unique and recognizable brand in the dental industry. Remember, a strong brand identity enhances trust, builds credibility, and attracts new patients to your practice. Embrace these tips and watch your dental practice flourish. FAQ 1. Why is brand identity important for dental practices? Brand identity is crucial for dental practices as it helps differentiate them from competitors, build trust with patients, and establish a strong reputation in the industry. 2. How can I define my dental practice's brand identity? To define your dental practice's brand identity, identify your core values, mission, and unique selling points. Consider what sets your practice apart and how you want to be perceived by patients. 3. Why is consistent messaging important for dental practice branding? Consistent messaging ensures that your brand is perceived consistently across all channels, reinforcing your identity and building recognition and trust among patients. 4. How can I maintain consistent messaging across different communication channels? Maintain consistent messaging by using the same tone, voice, and visual elements in your website, social media, emails, and printed materials. Create a cohesive brand experience for your patients. 5. How can I engage and educate my patients through brand messaging? Engage and educate your patients by creating informative content such as dental blogs, social media updates, and educational materials. Deliver valuable information consistently to position your practice as a trusted source of oral health knowledge. Thank you for watching. For more information about digital marketing for dentists, please visit our website, digitaldYAD.org.